All right, man. We back at it. Let me see what's going on, man. Police are involved. I see this young lady walking across the screen. Let's dive in.
I was berating you. She will not leave me alone. Because you don't pay attention. You do not pay attention. I don't give a f. I just got my truck back. And you talk about it. I have lights on in your face, though. And you better pass the f. You want to get f. I'm a call. You jumped in my lane, honey. You did not. Give me time. You jumped right in the line with the blood.
All I'm gonna say is you can't meet fire with fire, folks. She irate. You gotta let her calm down. You gotta let her just talk her talk, cause it's gonna turn into something else.
Like, come on.
Only freaking car right here. What are you talking about?
I will right here, baby.
What happened to us? I'm getting over to turn down this street. She's riding my. And now she's screaming in my face. I can't even explain to you because she's going crazy right now. She's riding my. I get over, and it wasn't even immediate impact. That means she was literally still coming after she seen me get over. You hit me like 10 seconds after I got over. What are you talking about?
Right beside the car.
Right here beside my car, but you hit me in the back. What are we talking about? Please come on.
Hey, can I get your license?
Yes, sir.
They find out.
That's not, you got separate Oh man.
Get your
Naked out there.
tase you. Baby, finna tase you. She went that on me. She finna tase you. Go get your in the car. Go get your in the car. They come on, we gonna say like, you better this a kid. You owe this. This a kid, bro. That's your problem. That's your problem. Where you finna get smacked?
We got her.
Y'all didn't have right, but you doing the most.
Oh, really? That's great.
Don't make it work. Let us get her. Let us get her. Take care of her. Get her. We'll get her. Okay?
I'm telling you right now.
Oh, she will.
I'm saying,
She will. Please, come on now. Don't make me over.
she been disrespectful this whole time. This lady been defending you.
Get your dad off her car, please. You please move her out her car.
If y'all just want to be every hit,
Take her off.
She will go. We will go.
I told you,
Get her on her side. We'll get this side. Just come on that side. We'll get this side.
you mad because you ain't got no insurance.
See, that ain't happening. That is not happening. That's not
Stop
her.
talking, bro.
Why you acting like wait a minute. She got off the car and took it my sister.
My little sister.
I got to her. I got her. Now that we here, we
No, I can't stand this. Ah, man, shut up. Shut up. Whew.
That's why we here. Don't walk up under her. Because now you got somebody that's in the smoke.
I'm sorry, officer. I'm sorry.
Yeah. We got her. She about to bust that lady. This lady talking mad. I'm telling her. But her family like, oh, I said no, the fucking mad shit.
y'all need to calm down.
They gonna take you to jail if you don't calm down.
Hey, you don't want to hear a black person say that after they are confronted with the fact that they can go to jail. I go today. Oh, man. I go today.
What did I tell you to do? Go back there. This gonna be a bad Thanksgiving. Get back there. I don't care. I'm harassing my little
Hey, man, this is, if you was ever looking for, excuse my language, how much time are we? If you was ever looking for a nigga moment, this is a nigga moment. This is what this is. It's hard to decipher who is with who. Oh man, it's just a whole bunch of noise.
Hey, get that one. Now, come here. Move.
You going to
Turn
jail.
around.
Yeah.
Turn around. Hey, be tough. Be tough.
No, because it's your place. No, let me go because it's your skirt.
I told y'all, stop. Back up. Back up. Back up. Back up. I told y'all, I ain't got time for this. Turn around.
That's the only way to
Turn
take his
around.
arm.
Turn around.
Babe, give him a moment.
Get that one too. I don't care who's in the accident.
Babe, don't say nothing for real. No, baby, don't say nothing.
Get in the car.
Put your own name. Is there anybody else?
Right now, no.
Am I done yet? I'm closing my window. This ain't gonna have to happen. All you had to do is calm down, baby. I got that girl running her car. It don't matter. The police was here. Police was here. That's all I don't care.
Son, police officer, that's gonna listen.
I don't know what's going on. What's up?
It's okay. We got to a car accident. I kept trying to tell the lady, like, relax. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, just calm down, because it's not that serious. We both have insurance, so just relax.
What are you in?
I'm in the blue one. So she's just in my, she keeps walking up on me. She's in my, the lady who hit my car.
Well, so I understand. I don't know your name.
I know. I'm sorry. She keeps walking up on me, like, you know what I'm saying? The one that's been putting her right there. So we got in the car, and I'm like, it's okay, you know what I'm saying? I'm just happy we both okay. And she's like, you're ugly. I'm getting like, look, you see, like, she literally will not leave me alone. The whole time I'm on the phone with my mom, I swear on everything. I'm like, I just want her to calm down. She keeps walking up on me, telling me all kind of stupid. I'm like, I'm just glad we both have insurance and it's okay. And she keeps on like, I swear to God, she keeps walking around her car, getting close to me, yelling at me while I'm on the phone. And then my family gets out here, she's doing the same thing. So it's only right that they're upset because I'm not getting upset because I don't want it to be all this. Like, look at all this. I'm just happy that my car can drive away from this. Like, I'm just happy about that. Like, this lady is all in my face.
She's the
Like,
same person out here.
I don't even know. She's all in my face. I know she's upset. You know what I'm saying? Who would not be upset about that car? But then she started saying about something that happened to her yesterday. I'm not even from over here. I don't know her. So she's like, oh, I just had to get my car at the shop. You should have been paying attention. I'm like, I'm just happy we can even walk away from this. Alive right now on Thanksgiving. Like, what the? It's not that serious. It's not this serious.
Really not.
Nobody got hurt. That's okay. Like, I don't understand. I just want everybody to relax. But she kept berating me. She's like in my face, like yelling at me.
No folks.
They just
In the
here to
back.
come
Somebody
get
else about to go to jail.
They're my family. They're just here to come get me.
So what's going on with them?
She was the same way from the moment she got out of the car until just now. She was screaming in my face. She was walking up on me. Yes, threatening to stuff over this car accident. And then they came out here, she's doing the same thing, and they're just like, you're just gonna get up in her face, you need to stop talking trash to her or whatever. We just gonna, and I kept saying, we're just gonna wait till the police get here. And she's not, it's like she's not understanding that. So she started to walk up on my family, and my family started to walk up.
That's too much.
No, now I'm mad.
Oh, okay.
We don't want anything more than
Get off of me.
we don't want anything more than
Listen. Oh my God, bro. Oh my God. Don't call me to the scene. Let me stay where I'm at. Cause y'all all a mess, folks.
than we have to right now, okay? There's a lot going on.
They taking her to jail. This is Thanksgiving Day.
Man, shut up. Go sit down. Walk that way.
I don't feel like this is fair.
This is too much for an accident.
Because that's what I'm saying. She just wouldn't stop walking up on me. So I
Oh,
swear to
God.
God, she kept walking up on me. I'm on the phone with my mom. She's just like, yeah, you. I swear to God, she's just going crazy for no reason. And then when they get here now, my family has to suffer because she wouldn't back up off of me. Like, we're not from out here. My family just came down here for Thanksgiving. They don't know anybody. I just had to call them and tell them to come get me. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm not from this side of town. But she wouldn't back up. Regardless, whatever this is has nothing to do with the accident. She wouldn't calm down. That's literally it. She wouldn't calm down. I just wanted to wait till police officers got here. You can ask the guy who's in this car. I said, I just wanted to wait until you got here. Can you please get her out of my face? Because she keeps walking up on me. He just stood there.
Oh my God.
He just got our information and got back in the car.
I'm tired of
In
it.
Horace Way, did they put your sister in Horace Way? Oh, why? I just don't understand why. I just don't understand why we just can't. Why we just can't.
Why you
Look,
didn't take a second to talk to us though? You just put me in the
How am I going to take a
a second to talk to anybody when everybody gathered. I'm trying to hold on. I'm trying to tell everybody to step back and don't nobody keep cussing and fussing and why the police here. Now look what you got yourself into.
You know, like anger gets to people and stuff like that. But honestly, yo, you should have heard what she was saying to my sister, slamming on her window and stuff. That's why we broke up.
Was it hurting your sister? Did it put your sister in harm's way? Did it put your sister in harm's way?
I was over there shredding.
Hold on. Did it put your sister in harm's way?
It could have.
Did it?
Well, no.
Okay.
But I thought it was.
Okay, no, you did not.
I did.
You wanted to run your mouth because all your family was out here. Yes, you did. Look, I've been doing this for a long time.
Listen,
I'm not brand new. I'm not.
If I could have recorded the calls, I promise you, officer, you would have heard the way that girl was. It's just, she didn't do us right. I was literally, I got a 3-month-old. I came out here.
Man, nobody.
Due to both of y'all's statement and the impact on the two cars, it shows that you failed to yield.
Fine.
She has had the right of way coming down this.
So that's why she was pissed off.
I'm gonna give you this right here.
Still don't give you the right to talk crazy to somebody.
About doing that and call that phone. Are you gonna be able to drive your car?
Yeah, my car looks fine.
Okay.
It's just,
Both were charged with disorderly conduct and obstructing officers.
Hey man, at the end of the day, man, keep your cool, bro. Exercise emotional intelligence, man. Peace out.